Android. How fucking dare you pull down the fire alarm and made everyone terrified at school? Why the fucking hell would you do that type of fucking dog shit? You should know that pulling down the fire alarm is a goddamn fucking felony, and it's also a fucking crime. And you could get yourself arrested for doing that. And now my son Kalu is going to be so fucking furious once I notify him about this incident. That's it. You are so fucking grounded. Grounded for 7 months. This means no TV, no video games, no computer, no Family Guy, no King of the Hill, and furthermore, now go to your room, think about what you've done, and never ever come out.